to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of.
Right in this video, let's carry on importing stairs from Autocad to Revit architecture. So I'm having a 4 type of stair here. Among this, one will be a spiral, the other will be dogleg stairs having same number of flight in each and having different numbers of flight in each, okay? And the other one is kind of a wider stair. Alright, first after drawing this, I would like to save this file. Well, this is the file right in here. The first thing that I would like to do here is get into annotate, get into modify. I would like to measure between two references. This one will be showing 250, which is technically accurate. The first thing that we'll like to do is again get into stair. Right now there's an option for creating stairs by sketch. Before picking up the option, I would like to count the number of horizontal lines right in here, which will indicate the number of riser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of 22 stairs out there. Right in here, desired number of a riser. This one shall be the number of horizontal lines right in here. In this case, it is 22. So, picking up, creating sketch. Alright, in here, I'll be picking up create sketch option. And, this stair is made of 3 components. Among this first one is the riser. You can pick up the line. Riser indicate the actual number of risers here. So that one will be 22. That should matches with something written here and the CAD plan. So finally, alright, which is riser, define the riser and the railing or the carry to the stairs boundary. The boundary of the stairs is being represented by the boundary option here. You have to get into pick line option. Picking up these 3 is you have to understand that slope is changing right in here. Here you got a slope, here there won't be any slope. If it's drawn being a continuous line, you have to physically split it right there. Split. In this case, I don't need to split, as I knew that cannot be a continuous line. So I'm sorry, it's the wrong placement. Okay, you got the external stair sketch and picking up the internal lines, and this will be closed line. Okay, these points you'll be having the boundary. Then you can get into riser, pick line. You got to pick up each and every line. You got to see that the number is decreasing until that reaches 0 remaining. Okay, finally we got to show the stair is going from right to left or left to right. Again, how the use of stair path, the line should actually intersect with each and every riser, which the line should intersect with start and end of the riser. So that's it. Alright, let's get on it later on. Then we have stairs. I like to change up the number. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 numbers are there. So I'm gonna change this right into 17. I'm having a warning that the actual riser height, which is 253.3, is greater than 190. Really doesn't matter. If you don't want to see that warning, you change up this height into a bigger number. Okay, created by sketch, and we got pretty much same procedure here. You got to pick up the line. Okay, then you got to have the riser, pick line. Alright, then you got to have the stair path. Again, well, alright, let me try. What's up with that message? get into elevation, I got to make sure that's what. I got some mistake right there. 17 numbers are there. You can have pretty much same procedure. You can have boundary, pick line, then the internal boundary, and okay, then you can have the riser pick line. Alright, finally you got to have the stair path here. So the length of the line or the point where it's been passing through these stairs is not important. Okay, getting to 3D. Yep, cool. Next one, let's get around the spiral stair. Pretty much same procedure. Count the number of line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are there. Stairs, you got to change up this numbering to 10. Okay, never mind that. Sketch, boundary, pick line. You got to have the external sketch and the internal sketch. Okay, using the riser pick line, I can have. Alright, okay. I can make use of stair path, arc, start, end, and you can have the radiuses right there. Okay, that's it. Yeah, you can see that's pretty much okay for now. Last one is a sort of a winder stair. 18 numbers are there, so getting the stair, like to change this into 18 numbers. Then you can have sketch, pick line. Okay, then riser, pick line. Alright, okay. A riser pick line. You can have 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on, I'm having some sort of crazy numbering, misnumbering right in here. So actually I don't need to care that. So still this is still remaining. I don't know about that. Anyways, let's try. So getting the stair path. Right in here. Okay, then right in here. Okay, so let me try to finish it. Okay, warning, there were no warnings right in there, so you know you can see that it's pretty much okay. But you got to see having the same problem right there. So right in here, let's fix it. You can see that the carriage is supposed to be exploded right in there. So let me try to fix it. Edit the sketch. The problem I found is you got to have the different. Alright, so this one looks okay for now, and that's it. I'll be fixing up the kind of importing the models from Autocad to Revit, and also it's possible to modify the existing stairs. Okay, I'm having a stair wheel right there. Okay, then if I try to just edit the stair, and I can convert it by selecting the run. Okay, after converting, showing up a warning that this one is not reversible. Okay, right, then I can edit the sketch. Maybe I'd like to delete all this boundary. Then I can make use of boundary, arc, start, and a radius arc. Okay, or I like to have a skinned set here. Okay, alright, you can make use of trim. Okay, again, trim. Okay, that's it. Enable it. You can see that stairs look something like this, and also it's possible to modify the landing for the stairs. Okay, so get right into here. Okay, before taking, I can pick up the landing, convert it. Okay, and I can edit the sketch. Maybe I like to have a curved landing right there. I can make use of boundary and I can sketch it. Oh wow, maybe if you like to have this sort of design type, you can have it. Just see that the landing is curved. Okay, so that's how you will be fixing up the model from Autocad right into Revit, or the modification of existing stairs. That's it.
Bilang no tiidil, pagduli kalatay na tibi, marabit sa gabi, bilang ton di idil,